This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by installing an Android emulator and Ibis Paint X. This lets the mobile app run on your laptop. Once the emulator is installed, allocate 2 CPU cores and 2 GB RAM to avoid lag and sign into Google Play. Then download Ibis Paint X inside the emulator. You're doing this so touch gestures map correctly to mouse and pen input, and so layers, brushes, and cloud features behave just like on mobile. Now you configure the canvas and controls to match your workflow. Create the canvas at the resolution you need and pick orientation and DPI. Higher DPI preserves detail. Next, map pen pressure by connecting your graphics tablet or adjust mouse shortcuts in the emulator so brushes respond naturally. Import any reference images into a separate layer and enable stabilizer and grid lines to make strokes steady. Doing this ensures finish by refining with layer groups, blending modes, and adjustment tools for color correction. Work non-destructively so you can revert changes. When ready, export in the format you need: PNG for lossless, PSD for layered edits, or MP4 for time-lapse, making sure export dimensions match your target. If the emulator lags or the app crashes, increase allocated RAM or CPU, lower canvas DPI, and close background apps. This simple tweak fixes most performance issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.